Hi everyone, welcome back to the show. How is your day going? Today I'm joined by Emma and we're going to talk about weekend plans.
Hi, everyone. So glad to be with you today. Let's jump right in.
Weekend plans are always so exciting to think about.
Yes, they are. I love the weekend because I can rest.
Same here. What do you usually do on Saturdays, Emma?
On Saturdays, I usually wake up a bit late, around 9 o'clock.
That sounds nice. Do you make a big breakfast?
Yes, I do. I love making eggs, toast, and coffee.
Oh wow, coffee is a must for Saturdays.
It really is. What about you, Jack? What is your Saturday morning like?
I usually wake up early and go for a run in the park.
Really? Even on the weekend?
Yes, the park is very quiet in the morning. It feels great.
That's cool. I prefer to stay in bed, but a run sounds healthy.
It helps me start my day with good energy.
That makes sense. What do you do after your run?
I go to a small bakery near my house.
Oh, I love bakeries. What do you buy there?
I buy a fresh croissant. It is still warm when I get it.
That sounds amazing. Warm bread is the best.
It really is. By the way, Emma, do you prefer to stay home or go out on the weekend?
I like a mix of both. On Saturdays, I usually go out with friends.
Where do you go?
Sometimes we go to the cinema, or sometimes we just walk in the city.
Walking in the city is fun. Do you do any shopping?
Just a little bit. Sometimes I look at books or clothes.
That's a great way to spend an afternoon.
It is. How about you, Jack? Do you see friends on Saturdays?
Yes, I do. We often meet for lunch at a restaurant.
What kind of food do you like to eat?
We love Italian food. We usually order pizza or pasta.
Pizza is always a good idea. Everyone loves pizza.
Exactly. It is very easy and delicious.
That reminds me of a good word to share with our listeners. Jack, you said you often meet friends.
Yes, often. That means many times.
Right. Let's look at that word. In English, we use words like usually and often to talk about our habits.
Good point. For example, I usually wake up early and I often see my friends.
Can we give one more example for our listeners?
Sure, Emma usually sleeps late on Saturday.
Yes, that is true. And I often drink coffee in the morning.
Perfect. Also, listeners, listen to the pronunciation of often. The letter T is silent. You do not say often, you say often.
That is a very useful tip. Often. It sounds much more natural.
Yes, it does. So, Emma, what do you do on Saturday evenings?
On Saturday evenings, I like to relax at home. I watch a movie or read a book.
That sounds very peaceful. What kind of movies do you like?
I love comedy movies. They make me laugh after a busy week.
Laughter is the best medicine.
It really is. How about you? What do you do on Saturday nights?
I sometimes cook a special dinner at home.
Really? What do you cook?
I like to try new recipes. Last weekend, I made a vegetable soup and fresh bread.
Oh, wow, that sounds delicious. Are you a good cook?
I try my best. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's just okay.
That is how we learn. Practice makes perfect.
Exactly. If you try, you get better.
That is true for cooking and it's true for English.
Yes, it is. Let's ask our listeners a question here.
Good idea. How about you? What do you usually do on Saturdays?
Do you go out or do you stay at home? Drop your answer in the comments below.
We really love reading your comments. It's so much fun to see your answers.
It really is. Now, let's talk about Sunday. Sunday feels different than Saturday, right?
Yes, Sunday is much more quiet for me.
Same here. Sunday is my day to prepare for the new week.
What do you do to prepare?
I do some cleaning in my house. I clean the kitchen and wash my clothes.
Housework is not very fun, but it is necessary.
Yes, a clean house makes me feel happy and calm.
That makes sense. I also clean on Sundays. I do it in the afternoon.
Do you listen to music when you clean?
Always. Music makes housework much faster. I listen to happy music and dance a little.
That's cool. I prefer to listen to podcasts when I clean.
Podcasts are great too. You can learn while you clean.
Yes, it's a good use of time.
Jack, let's look at another quick English note here. You said Sunday feels different than Saturday.
Yes, I used the word different.
Let's look at how we talk about days. We say on Sunday, on Saturday, on the weekend.
Yes, the preposition is always on for days.
Can we give an example?
Sure, on Sunday I stay home. We don't say in Sunday or at Sunday.
That is an important rule. It's a small word, but it matters.
Definitely. So Emma, do you do anything else on Sundays?
In the evening, I visit my parents. They live close to me.
That is very nice. Do you have dinner with them?
Yes, my mother cooks a big dinner for the family. My brother comes too.
Family time is very important.
It is. We talk about our week and laugh a lot.
Sounds great. What time do you go home?
I go home around 8 o'clock because I need to sleep early for work on Monday.
Yes, Monday comes fast.
It always does. The weekend is never long enough.
I think everyone agrees with that.
Yes, we all need a longer weekend.
Maybe a 3-day weekend. That would be perfect.
That would be a dream. 1 day for fun, 1 day for rest, and 1 day for housework.
That is a perfect plan.
By the way, listeners, if you're enjoying our chat today, please give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe. It helps our channel grow so we can make more videos for you.
Thank you so much for your support, everyone.
So Emma, let's summarize. What is your favorite part of the weekend?
My favorite part is Saturday morning. The feeling of having 2 free days is amazing.
I agree. Saturday morning has the best feeling. You feel free.
Yes, you do. What about you, Jack? What is your favorite part?
My favorite part is Sunday evening when I am relaxed and my house is clean.
That is a very satisfying feeling.
It helps me feel ready for Monday morning.
You are very organized, Jack. I need to be more like you.
It just takes a little practice.
Well, I'll try next weekend.
That is a good plan.
That was a great chat today, Jack.
Yes, I had so much fun talking with you about weekends.
Thanks for being with us, everyone.
We hope you have a wonderful weekend ahead.
We'll catch you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone.
Bye-bye.